In a groundbreaking revelation that has sent shockwaves through the tech and medical communities, Elon Musk has once again redefined what's possible in the world of neurotechnology. His brain-computer interface company, Neuralink, has announced its latest innovation, Blindsight 2025. This revolutionary device is designed to restore vision in those who have lost it completely, even for individuals who were born blind. Musk's claim that Neuralink can bypass the optic nerve entirely and interface directly with the visual cortex is both ambitious and unprecedented. The announcement was further solidified by Neuralink's clinical team lead, Romina NAD, who confirmed that the company has already started accepting candidates for vision restoration trials through their newly launched patient registry. But what exactly is Blindsight? How does it work? And more importantly, when will we see the first human trials? We're diving deep into all the details in today's video. Blindsight 2025 is Neuralink's latest and most ambitious brain implant yet, specifically designed to restore vision in individuals who have lost it entirely. Unlike traditional visual prosthetics that rely on partially functioning optical pathways, Blindsight works differently. It completely bypasses the eyes and optic nerves, directly stimulating the brain's visual cortex with electronic signals, essentially rewiring the way the brain processes visual information. This is a game changer for individuals with optic nerve damage, degenerative eye diseases, or those born blind, conditions that have had no viable solutions until now. Elon Musk first revealed Blindsight in a tweet in September 2024, claiming that the device would allow people without functioning eyes to see again. He compared the initial vision quality to low-resolution Atari-style graphics, but suggested that with future advancements, the system could surpass human vision, allowing users to perceive ultraviolet, infrared, and even radar wavelengths. To illustrate his point, Musk shared an image of Geordi LaForge from Star Trek, a blind character who used advanced technology to see, a nod to the sci-fi inspirations that may soon become reality. At the heart of Blindsight is a network of thousands of ultra-thin electrodes implanted directly into the brain's visual cortex. These electrodes receive wireless signals from an external AI-driven processing unit that collects and translates real-time data from external cameras or other sensors. This information is then converted into neural signals that the brain interprets as visual input. Essentially, instead of trying to fix or replace damaged biological components, Neuralink is completely rewiring the brain to process artificial visual stimuli. This is a major leap forward compared to existing visual prosthetic technology, such as the Argus 2 retinal implant, which still requires at least partial optic nerve function and is ineffective for individuals with complete blindness. Blindsight's ability to interface directly with the brain eliminates these limitations, making it the first practical solution for restoring sight to a much broader population. Neuralink has already secured FDA approval for human trials and has received the FDA's Breakthrough Device Designation, a status reserved for medical technologies with the potential to significantly improve treatment for life-altering conditions. This designation fast-tracks regulatory review and development, further legitimizing Blindsight's potential. Neuralink is preparing to launch human trials in the second half of 2025, with an initial focus on patients with complete vision loss. The first phase will likely involve 5 to 10 volunteers and will primarily evaluate safety and preliminary effectiveness. Given the complexity of brain implants, this phase could last 12 to 18 months, meaning we may not see significant results until late 2026 or early 2027. If successful, a second, larger trial involving 50 to 100 participants could take place by 2028. However, even if all goes well, regulatory approval for widespread use could take years, meaning Blindsight may not be commercially available until 2030 or later. One of the biggest challenges with any cutting-edge medical technology is cost. The initial price for Blindsight, including surgery, the implant, and post-operative care, could exceed $100,000. This means it will likely be accessible only to a limited number of patients in the early years. However, as with most new technologies, the cost is expected to decrease as production scales and advancements are made. Neuralink's ability to fund this ambitious project is a major advantage. The company last raised $325 million in 2023, bringing its valuation to over $3 billion. With strong investor confidence and Musk's personal financial backing, Neuralink is well-positioned to push Blindsight through clinical trials and eventual commercialization. Neuralink isn't the only company developing vision-restoring technology. One of its most advanced competitors is the Generis Bionic Eye, developed by Monash University in Australia. Unlike Blindsight, which uses a single compact electrode array, Generis relies on multiple small implants, up to 11, placed on the brain's surface. These implants receive visual data from a high-resolution camera mounted on a specialized helmet, which processes the information in real time. Generis has a wider field of view compared to earlier visual prosthetics and has already shown promising results in animal trials. It is now preparing for human trials in Melbourne, Australia. While it lacks Neuralink's financial backing, it remains a serious contender in the race to restore sight to the blind. Despite the excitement surrounding Blindsight, experts are divided on its potential. Some believe Musk's bold claims may lead to unrealistic expectations, while others acknowledge that even a limited form of artificial vision could be life-changing for blind individuals. One thing is undeniable. Neuralink has the financial and technological resources to push this project forward. Unlike past visual prosthetic projects that struggled due to funding shortages, Musk's backing ensures that Blindsight has a real shot at success. If Neuralink can deliver on its promises, Blindsight 2025 could represent one of the most significant breakthroughs in neurotechnology and medicine. Restoring sight to those who have never seen before is something that once seemed like pure science fiction, but with Musk at the helm, it may become reality sooner than we think. But what do you think? Would you be willing to get a brain implant if it meant gaining artificial vision? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hit 100,000 subscribers last month, and now we're aiming for a fun milestone: 123,124 subscribers. If just 1 out of 10 unsubscribed viewers hits that button right now, we'll reach that goal today. It's free, and you won't miss any updates on Neuralink, Tesla, and all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.